I'd like to be the first to welcome you to ERA, Extended Reach Architect. ERA is our software package built entirely by us to solve well construction problems that engineers face every day. It is the first software built that allows visualization of the impact of design changes on the well as a holistic system. ERA was recently commercialized after 3 years of aggressive software development to replace our legacy TAD software. While TAD had undergone 25 years of field calibration and development, to bring you all the tools for well engineering, we had to design the new software from the ground up to take usability, accuracy, and speed to the next level. The result of our effort is ERA, which creates a dynamic and user-friendly environment that allows engineers to gain a better understanding of the loads, stresses, and the pressures encountered during the well construction process. When it comes to usability, it is clear from the home screen that the new graphic user interface provides a consolidated single glance of your well design to provide immediate feedback of your design criteria versus all drilling limits. The intuitive green, yellow, and red indicators draw your attention to the showstoppers, which is making sure all parameters are considered when designs change. When it comes to complex well engineering, often solving for a problem can create another. With all limitations known, whether it's surface limitations like top drive specs, pop-off pressure, or downhole limits like drill string torque, or even geological limits, ERA will check all your loads and stresses and keep you in the green. Speaking of defining your limits, ERA does much of the work for you out of the gate. Workflow enhancements such as smart defaults, string Rolodex, and a comprehensive set of rig, tubular, BHA, fluids, and accessory libraries will allow you to set up quickly and avoid engineering mistakes. Not only is the software more intuitive for problem solving, the workflow was designed to get you to the answers more quickly, even while you're still setting up. The software contains the main input tabs on the left, and the operations are then displayed graphically as you might conduct what some people refer to as drill on paper. All of the inputs are brought in with the ease of copy and paste, and in some cases even drag and drop. An example would be the surveys of the well pasted in with graphical display, immediately showing any concerns and issues that would otherwise not be detected. Once the well construction is set up, a list of all the operational parameters can be entered for final execution review. This will complete the engineering design, showing the envelope of engineering versus operations and what can and cannot be carried out, all the while eliminating guesswork and risks associated with working in an already high-stakes environment. To round out the introduction of ERA, licensing can be done with either the classic standalone option, where the software is installed on a single machine, or the network licensing option where multiple users have ERA installed on their machines, but a limited number of users can use the software simultaneously. For example, if a company has 5 licenses, they can install as many copies of ERA as they wish, but only 5 people can use the software at any given time. There is one more thing. I'd like to present a major breakthrough in drilling engineering. And this breakthrough isn't even related to drilling engineering in a traditional sense. The latest feature in ERA is the geomechanics module that includes mechanical earth modeling calculations to help optimize well trajectory design. Up until now, drilling engineers had to first draft up an initial well trajectory design, take that to the rock doctors for evaluation, and he may then receive a set of limitations including pore pressure, fracture pressure, collapse information, and a set of recommended mud weight. After that, he or she will then use the recommended mud weight to see where the expected ECD, torque, and drag would be. If perimeters need to change, or if a new plan is needed to optimize the drilling process, the new plan is then sent back to the geomechanics group for evaluation. Not only is this time-consuming, the drilling engineers often is left with little or no understanding of what the geomechanics group is trying to do for the drilling group. This makes optimization difficult, if not impossible. Enter the Integrated Geomechanics module. The drilling group can now view the impact of design calculated in real time, what may be done to avoid drilling issues, and ERA even presents a synthesized caliper image log to predict how the wellbore will break down and how much. This will quickly validate the geomechanics modeling as information are collected and allow the engineering to be taken to the next level. Thanks for watching.